6 must-eat healthy foods during winter. In addition to the significant changes you witness in energy bills and how you dress during winter, the chilly weather also affects your body. Your food preference, metabolism, and even energy levels change drastically during winter. The feeling of skipping the gym and eating or drinking a warm drink kicks in. If you feel this way, you are not alone. However, this doesn't mean you should do nothing and wait until summer kicks in so that you can take charge of your life. The secret to staying healthy during winter is winterizing your diet. Here are some foods that you should try out this winter. Soup. This is one of the best food that will help you live through winter comfortably. However, you should avoid much salt, beef soup, and cream to get the most out of this meal. You should get recipes that include water as the base and a lot of vegetables. A hot bowl of soup with chicken broth and some vegetables will leave you rejuvenated. You can pair your soup with whole grain crackers. Drink more warm milk. Milk and other byproducts such as yogurt, cheese, etc. are a great meal choice for winter. This is because they pack a lot of vitamins B12 and A, proteins, and calcium, which boost a person's health. Most people tend to catch a cold during winter. Drinking warm milk frequently will help you avoid falling ill. However, choose to drink skimmed or semi-skimmed milk rather than full-fat milk. Moreover, you can take low-fat plain yogurts to decrease the number of calorie intake. Cauliflower and broccoli. Apart from drinking milk, eating a lot of vegetables, and engaging in fitness activities, these vegetables can add to the defense against winter sickness. Both broccoli and cauliflower pack a lot of vitamin C, which enhances the immune functions. The chilly weather might pose a challenge in getting fresh vegetables. However, frozen cauliflower and broccoli pack the same nutritious benefits as fresh ones. Start your day with porridge. The secret to remaining energized until lunchtime is taking a healthy slow-release breakfast such as porridge. You can be creative with this morning meal by adding toppings such as seeds and nuts. Moreover, some winter fruits such as dates and apples can increase the health benefits of this meal. Consume root vegetables. Finding fresh vegetables during winter can be a daunting task. However, root vegetables such as carrots, turnips, and carrots can be readily available. This is because they can withstand the cold weather. Consuming these vegetables as either boiled, raw, roasted can endow you benefits such as vitamins A and C, and a boost of beta-carotene. Increase your intake of cheese, eggs, and fish. Even though the previously discussed meals might not be your cup of tea, you most likely like eggs, cheese, or fish. These meals pack vitamin B12, which boosts the normal functioning of the immune system. Moreover, these meals reduce fatigue and tiredness. What's even better is that you can consume them at any time of the day. In essence, these meals will make your winter look shorter since they will boost your immune system and give you the energy to live through the season. Winter doesn't have to look dull anymore.